supposed to be red. It's supposed to be like that.
You're making a pizza, Sissy, right?
That's the ocean.
The people who gave the money to make
And
this
what?
Look at that pizza
And
pie.
this is the sand
public television
beach.
station
It's a
and the
beach.
Sears Roebuck Foundation.
You're making a pizza pie from Play-Doh.
No,
What you making, buddy?
I'm trying to make a man.
A man?
A snakey, a snakey. We all search this snakey on into the underwear in the sky,
What?
into the ocean. Sorry, Sissy. I'm gonna make a whole world made of Play-Doh like this, and it will be the man. What if you make a Minecraft world?
A Minecraft Play-Doh?
It's a man. Make a Minecraft world. I'm making a Minecraft man. I need. Mama, look. Where's my color I need? Done.
Wow. Remember, don't combine the color or the Play-Doh.
This plate.
Don't combine the color, Angel.
Why is this Play-Doh so hard? Because it has to be. That's how it's normal. Why does this Play-Doh have to be so hard?
I don't know.
I think because they made it hard. Maybe because it came from Dollar Tree, not Walmart. And these come from Walmart because they're not so hard.
What are you making, Princess?
It's a world.
Oh.
It's our world. There's the beach. That's the water.
Okay.
It's the Gulf of Mexico.
Wow, Gulf of Mexico. How about you, buddy?
I'm making a Minecraft made of art.
No, don't put the Play-Doh in the carpet. I told you that. Mike. Mike.
No.
Hmm? What?
That's Sandy Beach.
Sun-Key Beach? That's cool.
Do you know we even been there?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's a painting.
Okay.